Most office workers are not falling behind because they are bad at their jobs. They are falling behind because their workday is full of invisible admin work. A 5-minute email turns into 20 minutes. A meeting ends, but the follow-up takes another hour. A spreadsheet has the data, but not the answer. A document is almost finished, but still needs to sound clear, short, and professional. And a presentation needs to be made, but the blank slide is staring back at you. None of these tasks feel huge by themselves. But together, they quietly take over your day. That is why AI tools matter for office workers. Not because they replace your judgment, but because they can help you clear the admin layer that sits on top of your real work. In this video, I'll show you the best types of AI tools for office workers, what each one is actually good for, and how beginners can use them without getting overwhelmed. The goal is not to collect more apps. The goal is to save time on the office tasks you already do every week. Let's start with problem number 1, communication. Most office work runs on messages, emails, chat replies, status updates, follow-ups, requests, reminders. And many of these messages take longer than they should because you are trying to find the right tone. That is where tools like ChatGPT, Microsoft Copilot, Google Gemini, and Grammarly can help. Use them to draft, rewrite, shorten, or improve messages before you send them. For example, instead of staring at a blank email, you can ask, write a polite and professional email asking for an update. Keep it short and friendly. Or, rewrite this message so it sounds clear, confident, and not too harsh. This is one of the easiest places for office workers to start with AI. You are not asking AI to make a major business decision. You are using it to communicate better and faster. Problem number 2 is meetings. Meetings are expensive because they do not only take the meeting time. They also create notes, follow-ups, decisions, and action items. If nobody captures those clearly, the meeting creates more confusion later. Tools like Otter, Microsoft Copilot in Teams, and other AI meeting assistants can help summarize conversations, create transcripts, and pull out action items. The useful output is not just meeting notes. The useful output is, what was decided? Who owns the next step? What deadline matters? What questions are still open? A simple prompt after a meeting could be, turn these notes into decisions, action items, owners, deadlines, and unresolved questions. That one format can save a lot of cleanup time. Important rule, always follow your company's privacy rules before recording, transcribing, or uploading meeting content. Problem number 3 is documents. Office workers spend a lot of time reading and rewriting documents. Reports, policies, project updates, proposals, training notes, client summaries. AI tools can help you summarize long documents, improve rough drafts, and turn messy information into a cleaner structure. If your company uses Microsoft 365, Copilot can be useful inside Word and other Microsoft apps. If you use Google Workspace, Gemini can help with Google Docs and related work. ChatGPT can also help if you are working with non-confidential text and your workplace allows it. A strong office worker prompt is, summarize this document for a busy manager. Include the main point, key risks, action items, and anything that needs a decision. That is much better than just saying, summarize this. You are telling the AI what kind of summary you actually need. Problem number 4 is research. Research can turn into a tab nightmare. You open one article, then another, then a comparison page, then a review, then a PDF. And after 30 minutes, you still do not have a clear answer. Tools like Perplexity, ChatGPT, Gemini, and Copilot can help you understand a topic faster, compare options, and organize research notes. For example, you can ask, compare these 3 software options for a small office team. Show pros, cons, best use case, and what to verify before choosing. Or, explain this topic in simple language, then give me 5 questions I should answer before making a decision. AI is helpful for getting oriented. But for important work decisions, always verify facts, prices, policies, and sources. Use AI to speed up research. Do not use it as a replacement for checking the details. Problem number 5 is presentations and visuals. A lot of office workers are not designers, but still need to create slides, one-page summaries, training materials, and simple visuals. This is where tools like Canva AI, Gamma, PowerPoint with Copilot, and Google Slides with AI can help. They are useful because they reduce the blank page problem. You can start with an outline instead of a blank slide. You can turn messy points into sections. You can create a first draft faster. A simple prompt could be, create a 5-slide outline for a team update. Include progress, risks, blockers, next steps, and decisions needed. That does not mean the first draft is final. You still need to review it. You still need to make it accurate. But now you are editing instead of starting from zero. Problem number 6 is repeated manual work. This is where many office workers lose time without noticing. Copying information from emails into spreadsheets. Sending the same reminders. Creating the same follow-up tasks. Moving files into folders. Updating one tool based on another tool. If a task repeats every week, it is worth asking whether it can be automated. Tools like Zapier and Make can connect apps together so simple workflows happen automatically. For example, a form response can be saved to a spreadsheet. A new email label can create a task. A completed task can send a notification. A new file can trigger a follow-up step. The beginner mistake is trying to automate everything at once. Do not do that. Start with one annoying repeated task. Then ask, what is the trigger, and what action should happen after it? That is the basic automation formula. Trigger. Action. If you understand that, you can start small without needing to code. Now let's turn this into a simple Office AI toolkit. For writing and communication, use ChatGPT, Copilot, Gemini, or Grammarly. For meetings, use Otter or the AI features inside your meeting platform. For documents and summaries, use Copilot, Gemini, ChatGPT, or Notion AI depending on where your work lives. For research, use Perplexity or another AI tool that helps you compare and organize information. For presentations and visuals, use Canva AI, Gamma, PowerPoint, or Google Slides. For repeated tasks, use Zapier or Make. That is enough. You do not need 20 new tools to start. You need one tool for the problem that wastes the most time right now. Here is the best way to choose. Ask yourself this question: what office task do I repeat every week that still takes too long? If the answer is email, start with an AI writing tool. If the answer is meetings, start with meeting summaries. If the answer is research, start with an AI research workflow. If the answer is slides, start with a presentation tool. If the answer is copying information between apps, start with automation. This keeps AI practical. Instead of chasing every new app, you solve one real work problem at a time. Before we finish, here are 3 rules office workers should remember. First, do not upload sensitive company information into tools your workplace has not approved. Second, check important facts before using AI outputs in real work. Third, do not let AI create more complexity than it removes. A tool is only useful if it makes your work clearer, faster, or easier. The best AI tools for office workers are not the flashiest ones. They are the ones that help you write better, summarize faster, organize information, create clearer outputs, and remove repeated manual steps. Start small. Pick one task. Use one tool. Try it 3 times. If it saves time, keep it. If it creates more work, drop it. That is how you build a practical AI workflow without getting overwhelmed. If this helped, subscribe to AI Daily for simple AI tools, beginner-friendly tutorials, and productivity workflows. And turn on notifications if you want to know when the next beginner AI workflow goes live. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.